Have you ever spent hours creating a video, setting up the perfect shot, editing until your eyeballs hurt, making that thumbnail pop, and then silence? No views? Not even your cousin clicked? Just crickets and heartbreak? We've all been there. Trust me. So you're not alone. Don't think you're out there in some left field. Well, what if I told you those failed videos are sitting on a gold mine? What if I told you that video with 0 views could actually make you more money than someone else's million-view banger? It sounds fake, right? I know, but I lived it. And today, I'm giving you the roadmap to something most creators never even consider. So make sure to stick around as I share how to make money on YouTube without subscribers, even if nobody watches your videos. Hey, it's Cheryl, and buckle up because I'm about to flip your entire mindset about YouTube upside down. What if your videos aren't failures at all? Have you ever thought about that? What if each one is like an old piece of furniture in your garage that you think is junk, but is actually a priceless antique? What if its value isn't in the views, but in the video itself? Think of your videos like real estate. When you shoot a video, that's your house. I'm going somewhere with this. You own that house. And when someone wants to use a piece of it in a commercial or a show, what happens? They're basically renting a room or the entire house, but they don't own it. You just gave them a key and say, pay up. That's licensing. Video licensing lets you earn money again and again from the same video clip. You don't need views. You don't need subscribers. You don't need watch hours. You just need footage. There are companies like Jukin Media, Jukin, Pons, or Grid, who are literally middlemen for this kind of stuff. They match your forgotten B-roll with media companies, marketing agencies, even reality shows that need real-life footage, like yesterday. This is the moment I stopped chasing the algorithm and started thinking like an asset creator. And let me tell you, it changed the whole game for me. Everything. But wait. What kind of footage even sells? Right? It's not what you think. No volcanoes, no drone shots over Bora Bora. I'm talking about you sipping coffee. A simple thing like that. Your dog falling off the sofa. A plate of shrimp and grits in your kitchen. Yes, that's a real example. One creator made hundreds of that same plate. Why? Because companies want authentic moments. They want real people, real life scenarios. Here's what sells. Lifestyle, laughing, typing, walking, hugging. Business, Zoom calls, phone scrolling, card tapping. Food, pouring tea, flipping pancakes, and steam coming from the soup in your pot. For nature, raindrops, cloud moving, bugs crawling. Vertical videos. Because TikTok and Reels run the game now, you know that those are hot. You're not chasing viral anymore, honey. You are cataloging life. And your catalog, yeah, it makes money. I'm sure by now you are wondering. Then where do I sell these, Cheryl? Well, let me walk you through some places online where you can actually sell these. One is Pond 5. That's a huge marketplace. Great for beginners. Adobe Stock, seamless if you already edit with Adobe. Shutterstock, massive global reach. It's a popular platform, popular household name. Artgrid, ARTGRID, it's for those cinematic shots. Jukin Media, Talent Scout for viral real-life moments. Just upload, tag, describe, and boom. Your storefront is open 24/7. Wait, before you start digging through old clips, grab this. I've bundled up my top 10 surprisingly sellable video ideas into a free checklist. These are clips you probably already have on your phone or hard drive, just chilling there, waiting to be accessed. Use this checklist to spot cash you didn't even know you had. Please make sure you grab that download right below this video. And that's a gift from me to you. No fluff, just results. It's that simple. And since we're talking about money, if you want to go deeper in this conversation, here is 40 epic ways to monetize YouTube without the partner program. I did some real deep digging and created you an ebook that gives you everything that you need. You don't need 1,000 subscribers. We already established that. You don't need 40,000 watch hours. And you definitely don't need to wait for some algorithm to hand you a paycheck. This ebook shows you how to start earning from your very first video with over 40 battle-tested ways to monetize your YouTube content, even if no one knows your name. It has 63 pages, and you learn how to sell digital products your audience actually wants, use affiliate marketing without sounding spammy, launch paid workshops, coaching, and services, turn your YouTube shorts into real money. That one is a game changer. Monetize thumbnails, templates, tools, and systems. Build a low ticket membership that earns while you sleep. Grow your email list and use it like a secret sales weapon. Get brand deals without being influencer level famous, and so much more. I think I have 43, not mentioned here, because that's the secret. I don't want to give all my secrets away. So if you want to level up your channel and monetize your channel without the Google AdSense, this is the ebook for you. If you are a faceless creator and you want passive income without showing your face, this is the ebook for you. If you're a YouTuber who don't want to wait for monetization, this is the ebook for you. If you're a side hustler, solopreneur, ready to turn your videos into income, this is the ebook for you. If you're burnt out and you're tired of creating videos with seeing not much money, this is the ebook for you. It will give you practical value, just like a $97 course. And it's only, where's the price? This is for the price, $14.99. That's it. $14.99. Grab it now and change your life and your YouTube channel. Let's move on. You're probably wondering, how much money can I make, Cheryl? I'm glad you asked. Let's be real. Most people aren't getting rich overnight, but passive income adds up. I'm sure you'd agree with that. One creator made $9,916 last year. Another makes $1,800 per month, and she was just coasting. That's not hype, that's volume. Each video clip is like a vending machine. By itself, it's pocket change, but together, a whole nother story. You're making rent. The 80-20 rule hits here hard. 20% of your videos will earn 80% of your cash. But you don't know which 20% until you upload, right? So don't hold back. Now let's go beyond licensing. This mindset shift is contagious. Suddenly, you realize you're not just a YouTuber, but you're an asset builder. Let me explain. Because here's where you can stretch your monetization muscle, if you ask me. Micro sponsorships, tools like Aspire or Creator.co connect you with brands even if you're just a small channel. Digital products like spreadsheets, guides, templates, you can sell what you already use. Yes, people love recommendations or suggestions. Affiliate marketing, promote what you love, the tools you use, get paid for the clicks. You already talk about this stuff anyways, so why not monetize it? Oh, and before you go Googling creator tools for hours, please don't. I already did that for you. My favorite gear, camera, mic, lighting, all of it, and the tools I use to create my digital travel bundle and everything. That's what I use to build my monetized mind brand as well. And it will work for you too. So the next time a video flops, don't delete it. Don't unlist it. Don't sulk, just list it. That clip of your dog sleeping, of the sunrise, of you making coffee or dinner, that's cash you've been ignoring. Let's stop being slaves to views and start becoming owners of a value, because that's what we provide to our audience. You don't need a following, you need a strategy. So go check your hard drive right now and start stacking your digital real estate. Please. And don't forget your free checklist is below in the description. Plus, my ebooks are waiting for you too. And next up, I'm dropping a video on how to create a faceless YouTube channel and earn money with it. You don't want to miss that. So please make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Yes, we don't want to miss anything. I don't want you to. This is Cheryl from Monetized Mind, and I'll see you in that next video. You better be there. Take care.